Back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a video about the Q-Redew, okay? Let's go ahead and give a shout out to our sponsor, which will be Dossier. Today's scent is going to be the Woody Ginger. Top notes of ginger, lemon, bergamot, and pepper. Middle notes of orange blossom, violet leaves, and cypriol. Base notes of patchouli, amber, cedar wood, and tobacco. This fragrance was inspired by Tom Ford. Woody Ginger opens with a fizzy ginger and pepper duet, progressively softening with violet and orange blossoms. However, the key personality of this fragrance is all about the woods. Most prominently, cedar wood is enhanced by tobacco and patchouli, and then reinforced by the earthy accents of cypriol roots, an Indian plant used to perfume traditional clothes. Woody Ginger is a refined and assertive masculine fragrance, bringing together ingredients with strong personality in an inventive composition that is all about harmony. So let's go ahead and tell you guys a little about Dossier and their affordable fragrances. Dossier products are all cruelty-free, clean ingredients, and no markups. Discover quality fragrance inspired by the iconic scents you love from $29. Did you hear me? $29. A steal, guys. Dossier has a wide variety of women's, men's, and unisex fragrances for you guys to find something that you love and will fit you to a T. I promise. These fragrances last all day. They smell exactly the same as the luxury counterparts. Another thing I love about Dossier, they have risk-free order. Perfumes are personal, which is why they allow you to try out the full-size bottle. If you don't love it, ship it back for a full refund. Returns are donated to charity, so no bottle of perfume ever goes to waste. And take advantage of their sales. They are always running some sort of sales. They're giving you discount after discount. Be sure to go to dossier.co. Thank you guys so much. On to the video. This is it right here. I've seen this steamer for some years now, and this was my first time trying it out. I'm gonna tell you guys what it's supposed to do really quickly. It's a hair steamer, in case you guys didn't know. So this is a handheld hair steamer for your hair. So let's talk about it. It says on their website that it enhances the health and the beauty of your coils, kinks, curls, or waves with the benefits of hair steaming. The original Q-Redew is an easy to use handheld hair steamer designed to help you quickly refresh and restyle your hair. Use the Q-Redew to hydrate, reshape, detangle, stretch, deep condition, and add volume. Just steam, just minutes, great hair. That was the description from their website. In this video, I will be using this Q-Redew, and I'm also going to be using their deep moisture mask conditioning treatment for hair and scalp. I use the Q-Redew, and as you guys can tell, I flat ironed my hair right after I used it. But when I flat iron my hair, I can tell, and I don't know if you guys can tell as well, but my hair has so much body. My hair is so soft. I haven't steamed my hair in quite a while. Probably been over a year or even 2 years since I've steamed my hair. I wanted to give it a try. I know it was handheld, and that's the main reason why I wanted to try it out. I do feel a difference after I steam it. If you guys want to see how I steam my hair, keep watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Alright guys, so this is how much. You guys, I did not use that much conditioner at all. You don't need a lot of it. A little bit will definitely go a long way, which is a great conditioner as far as that goes. That's really good. Let's see how it works on the hair. It says blah, blah, blah. The light will go dark. What the hell? Wait momentarily for it to land. It said light will blink when the appliance is warming up. Nothing is coming out. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. You saw that book? You saw it? I don't know if you guys can see it, but I saw the steam, so let me see if I can do that again. Okay, yeah, so the steam is coming out, y'all. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start on this front section of hair, and I'm just gonna split it down the middle. I think I combed this section. No, I didn't. Let's go ahead and make it do what it do. Oh, it's getting steamy, y'all. It's getting steamy. I can feel the heat. So that was that section of hair. My hair is nice and hot. I'm gonna do this to my entire head, and then I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts about it. Alright guys, so I just got done steaming my hair with the Q-Redew. This was my first time using it. My hair feels nice and soft. Felt like that the conditioner was really penetrating my hair. Usually it takes a while. What I like about the Q-Redew, I like it that it is a handheld steamer, y'all. I like the fact that you can just hold it in your hand and just steam through each section of hair without having to sit underneath a hooded steamer. So I like that. I love the design of the actual Q-Redew. I like that the Q-Redew itself has these little teeth in it. They will help you glide through your hair, and it will help you detangle your hair if your hair isn't already detangled. So I do like the design of it. It feels comfortable in the palm of my hand, and it is not too heavy where I feel like, oh my God, my hand is dying because this is so heavy. I like it because it's a nice weight. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. It feels good. I don't feel like my hand is getting like an extra workout while using it. Those were the pros of the Q-Redew. Let's talk about the cons of it. Things that they're not so bad that I'm not gonna use it anymore. Of course not, but because I actually do like the product. Now the cons of this particular product is that the design with the steam actually coming out of just only 2 holes, I wish there was more like 4 or 5 holes in it. That way you can get out way more steam. So I would like if the design was a little bit better. I wish that it would push the steam out more. It pushes it out, but it doesn't push out a lot of steam. It seemed like I had to make sure that this bad boy was filled up when I was using the steamer, because if I didn't fill it up, it seemed like the steam was like very weak coming out. So, but the steam did come out, but it seemed like I had to keep that pretty full to use it. It didn't take a lot of water for me to use. I don't like the fact that you have to unplug it every time you have to refill the water reservoir. Yeah, I wish that you could just pour it in there while it was still plugged up. Other than my cons, I do recommend the Q-Redew. I really like it. I just wish it was a little bit faster and it was more steam pushing out of it. If you have tried it, let me know your thoughts on the Q-Redew. You'll probably help me and help other people in the comment section if they're planning to get it. The link for this item will be in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.